A California doctor says he has mixed emotions after the state quietly rolled back a COVID-19 misinformation bill that various legal groups argue violates the First Amendment. Last week, Governor Gavin Newsom quietly repealed AB 2098, which had been in effect for less than a year. After the law faced legal challenges, the bill gave states' medical board authority to revoke licenses of any medical professional if they spread misinformation or disinformation related to COVID-19, including false or misleading information about nature risks of virus, its prevention and treatment, its development, safety and effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine. Los Angeles-based child psychiatrist Dr. Mark McDonald, primary care physician doctor along with Jeff Bark, he challenged the bill with the Liberty Justice Center (LJC) shortly after Newsom signed it. The LJC argued that AB 2098 effectively chilled the speech of doctors and discouraged discourse on a scientific and medical issue. Of course, this violates doctors' free speech rights by trying to control what they can and can't say to their patients. There's nothing you can look at to find out what the contemporary consensus is, he said. This was an ever-changing situation, he said. WSJ. CA Businesses Hours Min. Wage WHO is the real authority? While McDonald pleased Newsom backed away from AB 2098, said he was also a little disappointed because hoping to obtain a court decision that could set a legal precedent would prevent such legislation from being enacted again. Frankly, I am very happy that we will no longer be threatened with license suspension for speaking honestly with our patients. But I was also a little disappointed. McDonald believed Ninth Circuit was leaning in favor of the doctors when Hubbard argued their case before court in July. The three judges present did not ask LJC's attorney any questions, but peppered the state's defense attorney with skeptical questions that raised some of the concerns LJC had raised. After that cold reception, Hubbard said states saw repealing the law as a better option than getting a court order saying they violated Constitution and telling them not to do it again. It was very clear that they were on our side and leaning on us in their decision, McDonald said. We don't have a decision right now and we may not get it because the law will be repealed as of January 1, 2024. I still hope there will be a decision because this is McDonald. It's great to have a legal precedent to prevent this from happening again, he said. Doctors threatened by COVID-19 opinions are preparing for a possible SCOTUS fight over California misinformation ACT. It's very easy for the state to go back and implement another law next year when things calm down or if other states do this. And ultimately our goal was to have a national decision, a Supreme Court decision that would invalidate any law. With these laws, speech laws are not just for doctors but for lawyers.